So I'm using medium worsted yarn with 5.5mm crochet hook. I'll start with a slip knot, and I'm gonna chain 3. 2 double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Chain 2, turn, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, two double crochet in the last stitch, chain 2 again, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and 2 double crochet in the last stitch. And this is the repetition throughout the rows. For every row is going to be the same. I'm going to chain 2, start with 2 double crochet, continue with 1 double crochet in every stitch, and finish with 2 double crochet in the last stitch. As simple as that. You start with chain 2 as we said. You can chain 3 if you wish, but 2 makes it look neater, looks the edges look neater. So 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in every stitch, and 2 double crochet in the last stitch for each and every row till you get the width required of your triangle. So for the next triangle, I'm gonna make a slip knot. Chain 3. Two double crochet in the third chain from the hook. I'm gonna chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the last stitch. That's it. Chain 2, two double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in the next 2 stitches, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, one double crochet in each stitch. That's all you need to do throughout this triangle. You start with a chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, and 1 double crochet in each stitch till the end of the row. We'll repeat one more time. Chain 2, 2 double crochet in the first stitch, 1 double crochet in each stitch. So this is how you get the tall triangle using double crochet stitch, and this is how you get the wide one. Depending on what project you're using it for, you choose whichever triangle you want to do. I hope you like this quick and easy tutorial and found it useful. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.